Hi there, folks. We're with Russell Hensel here. He's after completing a home inspection at one of our listings here in Gonna Get Estates. But Russell wants to have a quick word with you and let you know the importance of having a good inspection and proper, thorough inspection done at your property.
Well, first of all, when you have a thorough inspection, of course, it's determining the unbiased attributes of the house. But more importantly, with a listing agent, getting the house prepared for the inspection is extremely important because supposedly the number 2 cause of deals not going through is due to the inspection. But if you're like Barry and you prepare the house for the inspection, it makes the report a lot smaller, and it makes a lot of the smaller things go away so that they're not in the report and it doesn't look as troublesome to the buyer. So once again, Barry did an awesome job on preparing the house for the sale, which is extremely important and probably one of the most overlooked aspects of an inspection.
Thanks, Russell. So basically what you're saying makes perfect sense. Fail to prepare, prepare to fail. And that applies to many things, I suppose. And with this, this home here, it's a fabulous home. The people who are buying it, they're getting a great deal here. It's in Gonna Get Estates. We sell a lot of properties out here and we have a lot of people moving to the area. And here's Russell's contact info there. He comes with a full crew and there's no nonsense. But anyway,
well, thank you for everything. And we've been in business since 1985. And the reason why we have the small bus is that's actually a mobile office. We're getting the report out as we're heading back to the office.
There you go. Efficiency on wheels. Can't get much better than that. All right, folks, we'll chat to you later, and I'll put a little bit of info down here on homes in the area, and reach out to us, Barry and Kim with the Hoey Team. And we have a great team here in Southwest Florida. It's so important to have good people helping you with all aspects of your purchase. So we'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye.